Reverse grip bent over row. He is right to think of this movement as a back-to-back exercise. Icon. The mean, like chin-up, gripping attachment for this variation of the curved line involves the biceps to a great extent. You can carry more weight in the barbell compared to other biceps exercises. Also, you will build your biceps by connecting with your back muscles to get more muscle. A distorted catch line. Benefits of the reverse grip curve line. The opposite grip line directs your back muscles above your biceps. You can lift more weight compared to other bicep steps. How to reverse grip bent over row. Hold the barbell by holding the bottom hand with about shoulder width apart. Take the correct position of the curved line with the back flat and the chest facing upwards. Trim the abdominal barbell. Pull on both back and arms, lose weight under control and repeat reps. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel.